Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals for the week of the 28th through the 4th, maybe, of October. The 28th of September through the 4th of October. And I'm excited to be back because I got a spend booster. So I was, yes, very excited to come back for that because I also had those register rewards that would definitely lower my out-of-pocket as well. So I did get a spend booster, spend 25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. And there's also a deal that I'm gonna test out that if you get 2 cotton branded items, that's all I've seen people get. I don't know what else you can get, but when you buy 2 of them, you get a $5 Walgreens gift card, which I thought that's kind of nice, and I'm gonna try that out. I'll explain everything in the store, as much detail as I can, and then I will give you the download after the download as soon as, when I get back in the car. So anyways, not gonna do a whole lot of deals just because I don't have a lot of register rewards or points. Walgreens cash, that used to be called points many moons ago. I just don't have a lot of that. So I'm actually totally fine with doing smaller deals. And that's really it, guys. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. And let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're grabbing is the super ultra fancy Olay Super Serum Body Wash. These are $13 a piece, and they're spend 20, get back $5 in register rewards. So we are grabbing 2 of these, and that's going to cost us $26. But we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon that we are going to use, and then that will make our total $19. You can pay with Walgreens cash, but then you're going to get back a $5 register reward. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, but you're going to want to hurry because there's a $3 offer back on each one, and there's only a day left. So then you're going to get back $6 on Ibotta, making them $4 a piece, coming from like $18. That's a really, really good deal. And we're going to put it in with our spend booster, so it's going to be even cheaper. Now, if you don't want to do the super ultra fancy Olay body wash, you can get the regular Olay body wash. They're on sale for $7, and they're buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. Grab 3 of them, that'll be $21. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So then you will pay $16, get back a $5 register reward, but then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta because then you'll get back a $3 back when you buy 2, plus a $2 back when on each one as well. So you get $9 back. So then this is going to be $2 for 3 of them, or 66 cents a piece. Or if you want to do both Olays, you can. But this is the deal that everyone is talking about, and this is on the, at least the cotton items. When you buy 2, you get a free $5 gift card back. So let's go look at the gift cards. So I know that the green Walgreens gift card with the white flowers on it that says $5 to $500 is working. And then the one above it that says yay, that says $5 to $500 is also working. There is a plain red one, $5 to $500, that is working. And then there's one that says thank you, that is also working. I just went with the green ones, and everything worked out great. So if you grab 2 of the $2.29 cotton balls, and then you get back the $5 gift card, it's going to be like a 42-cent moneymaker. And you can do it multiple times in a transaction. And you can use a Walgreens cash to pay. So I'm going to do it 3 times in a transaction and see how it goes, and then I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So next I'm going to grab the Palmolive. This also includes the Ajax, but the Palmolive is on sale for $2.99. Buy 2, get back a $1 register reward. Grab 2 of these, it'll equal out to $5.98. We have a $2.50 off of 2 digital coupon that we can use, so we'll pay $3.48, get back a $1 register reward, making it $1.24 for each bottle. So that's everything we're getting in our transaction. We're doing the cotton balls separately. So these 4 products will equal out to $31.98. After our digital coupons, our total will be $22.48. We'll get back a $5 register reward for the Olay and a $1 register reward for the Palmolive. We'll get back $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $25 and $6 on Ibotta, making all 4 products $3.48 or 87 cents a piece. So here is my receipt for the Olay and the Palmolive, and there is my register rewards first, but then there's the 7 off 2 and the 250 off 2 coupon that come off. Then there is the $9.48 that I paid, but adding in that 13, that made my total $22.48. And then I got back $7.31 in Walgreens cash. And here are my register rewards. There's that $5 one for the Olay, and then the $1 for the Palmolive. Now notice these ones here like this that print a little bit differently or look different. You only have a week to use them, so watch that. And then submitting my receipt to Ibotta to get back another $6 for the Olay. That makes my total just $3.17 for those 4 items. And here is my receipt for the cotton balls. So there's 2 cotton balls and the $5 gift card, 2 cotton balls, $5 gift card, 2 cotton balls, $5 gift card. I paid $13.74. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. I chose not to because I just don't have very much. And so then I got back $15 in gift cards and 65 cents in Walgreens cash, making that a little 191-cent moneymaker. And now I have some gift cards that I can use on spend deals to lower my out-of-pocket. Then on another transaction, we're going to grab the Dove. The Dove is 2 for $20. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. And I haven't seen this guy before, so I want to grab this. So our total's $20, of course, but then we have a $5 off 2 digital coupon. That'll make our total $15. We'll get back a $3 register reward. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch. I have 2 separate offers here. One for, well, they're the same. They're both $1,500 back on each one, but that's going to double up, and I'll get back $6, making it $6 for the both of them, or $3 a piece, which is a really good deal. Then we're going to do the Method soap. Same deal as last week, buy 2 get 4, and they're on sale for $4, but I'm doing it again on the same account as last week because we got a new digital coupon. So the total is $8 with that $2 coupon. You'll pay $6, get back a $2 register reward, making it $4 for both of them, or $2 a piece. Now, when I was at the other store and doing the cotton ball deal, I found these face towel disposable things, and I use these, but I get them on Amazon, and I thought I might as well try and get this. Here, it's going to make my total a little bit higher because they're $10 a piece. But then these cotton rounds or these cotton balls are only $1.99 at this store. So then that's going to make my total $11.98. Getting back that $5 gift card, it's going to make it $6.98 for both of them, which I think is a really great deal. So I'm going to throw this in with my transaction. All right, guys. So here's the receipt for the second transaction. We've got the Dove, the Method, the Walgreens cotton stings, and there's that $5 gift card. I don't know why it says ineligible items for redemption. But it said that I got the little slip here. I'll show you. This says the $5 is on my card. So these are my register rewards from the first transaction. There is my digital coupons, $5 and $2. And then I had $27.48. Now this time I did use some Walgreens cash. So I did use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. I did actually get back 78 cents in Walgreens cash, so I am going to count that. And here are the register rewards that I got. 2 for the Method and 3 for the Unilever. I also got back did that $5 gift card. Here's a little slip showing that it is activated. And then I got back $6 on Fetch Rewards. That makes everything that I got in the second transaction $16.70, which is kind of high, but I really wanted those face things and I didn't have to pay $10 for them. So I'm happy for that. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walgreens and everything went great. I went to 2 different stores, and as you could see in my transactions, my digital coupons all come off, and I got back all of my register rewards today, so that's always a great thing. 2 weeks in a row. I also have this $5 gift card that I got back. It makes, now I have 4 of them, but you know what? That's totally fine. That's totally fine. If I have a spend deal, or if I just need to lower my out-of-pocket a little bit, I've got a few of these in my back pocket. Now, I just want to reiterate something to you. Now, I've seen online where 4 gift cards are the ones that are working. I don't know if they're all working, but the guy here at this store said that as long as it says $5 here, you know, and they ring it up and put $5 in, it should be activated. If not, grab a different one, because I was afraid, and that's just from personal experience, when deals like this are going on, and I usually can't run to the store right away for these type of deals. I usually can't. I'm either busy or I am nowhere near a Walgreens or something like that. You know what I mean? So 9 times out of 10, these deals, something like this, I can't run and do. And a lot of times they're no good by the time I'm able to do them. So that was kind of my thing when I got here, that they weren't going to honor it or whatever. So anyways, they said that they haven't gotten anything from anywhere saying that this deal is no good anymore, because I'm like, is this still good? Am I still able to do this, you know? And so just make sure it says $5 to $500 and there should be no problem. Anyways, other than that, everything worked out great. So my totals were a little high this week, but that's because I got something for $10. Now, if you want to take out my $6.98 or $6.98, hold on a minute. So my total for today is $18.47. If you take out the last set where I got the face cloths and the cotton rounds, my total would be $11.57. So I'm happy with $11.57 for getting 2 boxes of Dove soap, 2 things of hand soap, 2 things of dish soap, and 2 things of really expensive Olay body wash. I'm totally happy with both price points. So you can look at it either way. And the only thing that I did was that I had that $7 back when you spend $25. So if you don't have that, then maybe that's not the best deal for you. And maybe go in and just get like the Olay or the Dove, or yeah. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video, which will be a CVS video. Bye, guys.